Hey guys, welcome back to Over Channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable parental controls on your Android device. This will be a very easy step-by-step guide, so let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the Google Play Store on your device. Now, parental controls on the Play Store are designed to restrict certain types of content, which is helpful for keeping young users safe. But if you're old enough and still can't access certain apps, games, or movies because parental controls are turned on, it can be pretty frustrating. So, let's walk through turning off these controls so you can access all content without limitations. Once you're in the Play Store, go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. When you do this, you'll see a menu pop up with several options. From here, we want to go to Settings. Tap on Settings to access the main options within the Play Store settings. Now, scroll down until you see Family, and then tap on Family. In the Family section, you'll find an option for parental controls. Go ahead and tap on that as well. You'll notice that parental controls might be turned on, which restricts certain types of content based on age. This is where you can turn it off. But to disable it, you'll need a PIN, which was set up when the parental controls were activated. If you know the PIN, simply enter it here to turn off parental controls. But if you don't remember the PIN, there's another way to disable it, so don't worry, I'll show you how to bypass it. So, if you don't have the PIN, we're going to leave the Play Store and go back to the main home screen. From here, open your device settings. Once in Settings, scroll down until you find the option called Apps or Applications, depending on your device. Tap on Apps to open up the list of apps on your device. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone. One thing is important to note, that I am using Samsung device on other Android device. Other options may added or changed. But don't worry, end and main option is same. Now, scroll down or use the search bar to find Google Play Store in this list. Once you've found it, tap on Google Play Store to open the app details. In this section, you'll see an option called Storage. Tap on Storage, and here you'll find the Clear Data and Clear Cache options at the bottom. Now, before you clear the data, keep in mind that this will reset certain settings for the Play Store. Go ahead and tap Clear Data and then confirm by pressing Delete. Now that we've cleared the data for the Play Store, let's go back to the Play Store app. Open the Play Store again and go through the initial setup if needed. Once that's done, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, go back to Settings, then to Family, and tap on Parental Controls. This may take some time to open after clear data. You'll see that the parental controls are now turned off. And that's it. You've successfully removed the parental controls from your Google Play Store account, allowing you to download any app, game, or content without restrictions. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to Fixmaster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.